capacitor?
A capacitor is an electrical device with two terminals that can store energy in the form of an electrical charge. It consists of two electrical conductors that are separated from each other by a distance. The space between the conductors may be filled with a vacuum or with an insulating material called a dielectric.
Unlike the battery, a capacitor is a circuit component that temporarily stores electrical energy through distributing charged particles on, generally two, plates to create a potential difference. A capacitor can take a shorter time than a battery to charge up, and it can release all the energy very quickly.